I don't eat a lot of it. I can't.
Pochen tazan sweater ko kai himwal.
You can hear the Bill, the neighbor.
Mam lu kholan hiyo.
Okay, Father's Day, ma. That where I ever okay neighbor la gira gama. Hello, kwacha ba wala sana. That guy hit Bill near the Father's Day.
Oh, we rada. What's it? Happy Father's Day from Tripod. Chan nana. Ta chomo người đó mà vậy. Nghĩ ra đấy vậy.
Chị ta phải vậy.
That would up by your.
Chị biết nào?
Bobba lagt på.
Nó bắt nó hiện rồi chơi luôn.
Hitta sen.
Hold on.
But if you want to come out, bring your shoes.
Thế nào?
Man.
Cái khay polo.
More to get. Yeah.
Chắc người là nó đã phải.
Cái này lấy.
Ni nhai ne Father's Day na. Pa muni. Em sai sawa pa de phako ante. Le hakok la tu phita nyom. Kai phok lai ke wa tu ale chai khathe la hiyo da pati the ko. Bill wa ke pa la epa. Ebe hi bo khopo da ma che wa ta le. Ma che hi bo khopo. Ta lo de phan ne wa me thi wa ne wa. He ma che pa. Ho da ne ba sim lo. Dam sim lu sa yo le he pa. Pa neighbor la hui. Nah, nah, dah payah.
Lahir.
Happy Father's Day. Ai nanda wa bu poi. Oh, agon ba hilau ho no. Happy Father's Day. Bebe. Ne pi po do ma. Pi chơi na ta do ta non mi ba love Father's Day de bi chơi chawana le no go su clay. No go tup ki ta nyo no go ko pu pleta su ta sag lu. Po pen hi ka pa da pa ke da. Ne neighbor. Da ne neighbor la victor. Da we se ko pa ko min neighbor la victor. So yeah, so God bless you. Thank you.
Mày ghé chúng mày cho nào.
Nè.
Oh, polo thử vai chúng mày cho chắn mà.
Okay. Nó cá lấy chấm muỗng vậy.
Really?
Nó kia còn nó. Lấy nó ta đất là sẽ đất
Nhưng mà cái không nói bằng cả là. Wait, nó bảo cái này. Don't forget your daddy's card.
không mà chặt nó. Really chứ này. Cho con phép. Để lọt ra đó.
Hi phạt đôi gì? ให้พูพอหนอป้ามื่นนี่โอ้ยโอ้เลยที่ว่าหานี่ถ้าสักวันเลยที่แม่ญาติปะ
อันบาดเจ็บฟอยพอพวกอะไร
แล้วคิดปากกอดหูดให้ค่ะว่าซาเลยที่แม่ญาติปะเนี่ยโอ้ว่าค่ะ
Amuro ba pack it.
ไม่ใช่ซาเบ้
กลาซาเป็นด้วย คือเปโรว่าเราไปให้เกขอกว่าสมะเนี่ยเหลือตักแคลมให้กินแล้วมะอีปากครับเจ้าเลยเราแล้วตอนนี้แล้วเบลวันนี้เป็นเลยเนี่ยกระจาดโอวาคนนั้นเลยตั้งลักกี้เฮ้ยไปเดินลง
The sudden happy Father Day, but we locked the door, nobody opened. When you
Oh,
pray-
really?
Yes.
Well, I'm here, but I probably sleep during the day somewhat, so.
We knock the back door and then the front door.
Did you ring the doorbell?
No, just on the door.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear it.
It's okay.
Oh,
Then
thank you so much. Oh, goodness.
yeah, Happy Father's
Stuff
Day.
down.
Đó là có bốn rồi.
Happy Father's Day. Đấy chưa?
Đi chào qua.
You like corn?
I don't eat a lot of it. I can't because of my.
Swiss.
But thank you anyway.
Yeah, but claw we kind of don't have. Cool them.
You buy that local? You get the corn local? Well, the sweet corn, I don't know. That probably came from Texas, but they'll start selling it around the 4th of July at the farmers markets. That will be the local stuff, which is a lot better than Texas. But I wish I could, but I'm sorry, I just can't eat it. I haven't seen you for a long time. You've been hiding.
Yeah, one level.
You haven't seen me because I've been to Arkansas.
You've been what?
To camping.
Oh, really? Camping? Where at?
It's at the school.
Around here somewhere?
Yeah, over the Advent school.
Well, you just camp over there at the school?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's something different. Yeah, are you out for any sports?
Yeah, I play soccer.
Baseball?
Soccer.
Soccer. Oh, that's right. You're a soccer fan. Soccer is just something that's probably in the last 15, 20 years that has become more popular. It's easier for a lot of kids to play it than it is for baseball or football or basketball.
Từ lấy vậy. Polo nằm mệt flower. Đây vậy. Okay. Say cheese the keeper.
Macaroni. Thank you, thank you.
Then
Which
thank
one of you girls like the fish at the zoo? You do. What kind of fish were they?
They were great.
How about someday I take you over to the pet shop. They've got fish over there along with some other animals, but maybe some afternoon.
Thank you for everything. babe.
Oh, you're quite welcome. I'm glad to do it. When I see these girls smile, which they do really good, it puts a smile on me. I don't know if I've told you, there were 4 girls that lived in that house when I first moved here. Well, there wasn't 4, there was 2, and then they had 2 more. But anyway, the man that you bought the house from, he's the one that has the 4 girls. And they're all pretty, but not as pretty as you 4.
Tablet อ่ะ
And you know why? Your smiles. Your smiles make you pretty. Hey, what was the deal with your frown in the monkey picture? You look so mean.
เลยปล
What would you?
ปะปะชันเนี่ยตาก็ว่าเล่นโดเลยจะอึมเมตาเลยคันนี่เราได้มันเมยาละแต่อะกวยเล่นเลยมาแต่ตอนที่ว่าให้จะอะเจลเมยาน้ำเรา
What was wrong? Were you mad? You had your picture taken with the ice cream guy. You got ice cream that night because I held you up.
เอาไว้
And then you had the
ปัตตุปัตตายจันน่ะล่ะกว่าตากอดเบ็ดเวลาเชลล์ชาวเลยตาเบ็ดเนี่ยแต่ตอนที่ว่าแต่เจลเมยาน้ำเรา
Cái quả giờ tại vì là nhìn vào lời rồi.
Okay. Now, get there by lovely.
Okay, thank you.
Glad to do it. Very good. We'll go over to the pet shop some afternoon, and we'll stop for some root beer floats.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
You're quite welcome. I'm glad to. I love to see those girls smile. It really warms my heart to be able to see that.